So it's back onto the Beetle for today's video then. I did say that I'll try and get a few more Beetle videos up, and I need to get this project moving along a little bit more than I have done. So first things first is I'm going to try and size things up. Got this bumper hanger to get on. Got the side trays to put in. Line everything up and get everything rolled up. So there's the bumper fixed into place, and it's looking like it's a little bit further out on that passenger side, that near side there, as opposed to this driver's side. And just before anyone makes a comment of, well, why don't I sort of move this bracket out, the hole's not actually aligning inside there anyway, so you can tell that the actual hanger itself has got to come forward. So there's not too many reference points for me to go off here to try and get the bumper equal on both sides. All I'm doing is taking a measurement from the centre of this first bolt hole on the valance to the edge of the actual bumper hanger. That's giving me 5.5 centimetres, so that's now equal on both sides. I'll go with that. Just going to trim a little bit off of this bumper hanger here, just so that it doesn't interfere with this valance lip. I'll mark the hanger up, mark where the holes are going to be plug welded, and I'll get going. Getting a lot of prep work done still now, just marking out where my welds are going to be on them side trays within the engine bay, and I've just nibbled out the new panel to go in, just like a half moon shape, not a full plug weld, but I think that'll do it. Just a little repair that needed to be done before I can get on welding them side trays in on that corner. Just a little bit of Por 15 seam sealer to seal it all up. Right, so it's valance back in. Get them side trays in. How typical is that? Just as I finish up all the welding, I get a package in the post with my light bulbs that I've been waiting for my lamps, so a little bit more light on the situation now. Trays are in, and I've just gone around the edges and seam sealed them also, so that's both sides now done. And I think the next stage is going to be tidying up the rear valance, so I'm going to have to make some pretty patterns out of some paper, get some new steel in there just so it meets up with the tray that's gone in on both sides. But I think I'll save that for the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.